If you've been seeing all those gorgeous pictures of the tangles on Project Pack 26 and you want to get involved yourself without the official kit, I'm going to show you today how you can create your own Zentangle strings for Project Pack 26. So it's really simple to do, but you will need a compass and the Marcus Operandus, which is freely available from the Zentangle.com website. You just download that and print it out. I'll put the link to that in my description. And today we're just basically splitting the Zentangle tile. This is actually not an official one, it's one that I just cut myself. We're splitting this tile today into 4. And I'm just going to pop my Marcus Operandus to the side. Now this compass has been set to 5 centimetres, so I'm just putting the needle in the centre and put a line, a circle all the way around. And then what we're going to do, if you can see here, we're going to create like an arc. It's not a complete circle. So we're going to just start from where this line meets the arc, and we're not going to obviously go past that point there. Do that at each of these 4 lines in turn, so that we have those circular shapes overlapping one another. And then you're going to take another Zentangle. I don't know if it's this video or another one. I keep calling it Zentangle today. I have no idea why. This point here, where the line meets the circle or the arc, and this point here, we're going to join these together with the Zentangle. Oh, what is with my mouth today? So this is not perfect. You can see I've not placed it correctly, but it is just a string. It's just a starting point. But we're going to do that all the way around at the same point in each of these 4 sections. And that's about as simple as it gets. So we're just going to delete the tile, the string lines that we don't need. So we don't need these lines that go across into the centre. So just delete them. Delete! I'm too much in a digital age. I'm in a delete. Delete. Still saying delete. Just bear with me. I've not had my coffee yet this morning. I'm about to go and get some once I've finished this video. I think I must be in need of that coffee. So that is essentially the string that you will need to get started on Project Pack 26 Day 2. So if this video has been helpful for you, please do share it with other people who think it might also help. If you complete the Project Pack 26 video, I'd love to see what you come up with. It's obviously not my own individual project, but you know, I want to be able to help other people to get involved with it if they feel like they're kind of being stopped by the fact they don't have the official kit. I will link to all the official Zentangle stuff that you need for this, like the Project Pack 2 video, the Zentangle Marcus Operandus link. It's a great website actually to look at, Zentangle.com's website, because there's loads and loads of information there if you want any more information on Zentangle and what it actually is. So many different benefits to doing Zentangle. But I'm going to cut that short for today, and I hope this has been helpful for you, and enjoy Project Pack 26. Bye!